reiterate, Mr. Chair, that I believe it is high time we revisit the charter of the Bureau of Customs. Should I make a motion, Mr. Chair?
At the moment, I was informed that I think the Quintacom is looking into proposing some amendments into the charter of the Bureau of Customs. And if there are any observations or any information that we can share with the Quintacom, I guess the Quadcom will do that, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Taguba, you also mentioned in your affidavit that for quite some time, wala kang nare-receive na alert on your shipment. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I suppose that that is because of the TARA system to which you submit.